YouTube Nation, Twitch Nation. Today we're gonna do a house tour of the Core Boys. A lot of y'all are wondering, yo Ron, we've seen the house tour on YouTube. This is the updated house tour with a bunch of stuff. Right now, shut the fuck up! Right now we have a whole nice little place right here. Wow, pretty cool, right? Come over here, come over here, come over here. In here, we actually have a foreign exchange student who's coming in. Check him out right there. Look, check him out. He's eating. He doesn't actually speak English and he doesn't understand what's going on, but he's a pretty cool dude. He's actually really nice. Come on, keep moving with me, keep moving with me, keep moving with me. Come on, come on, come on. Over here we have our kitchen. This is the humble abode. This is where things get cooking. If you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Come on, chin up, dude. Be nice. Come on. Over here we have a lot of tech. Never been seen before seen. Very nice, very cool, very cool, very nice, very nice. Do you want to go downstairs? You want to check out the garage or no? Fuck that, let's go in the backyard. Come over here. This is where we Marty Supreme Max, okay? This is our ping pong table, as well as another ping pong table with a very nice backyard, if you will. There's a nice pool with the guest house, and then we also have our little golf cart to see the sunset. Over here, come on, don't be shy. Come here, bro, come. Look, over here, we have a dumb little monkey guarding the plants, okay? They're probably wondering, what are the plants? We have jalapenos, we have tomatoes, and we also have strawberries. We did have watermelon, but unfortunately, they died. Rest in peace, the melons. Come on me. Are you staying with me? Are you staying with me?
I'm with you, brother.
Come on, brother. Come on. Hustle a little bit. Over here, we also, a little trivia for you. Do you know who the main character is of GTA 5?
Dude, I don't.
So what's his name?
I don't.
Guess his name.
I need you to tell me. I need some help.
Guess his name.
I need some help.
Guess his name.
Matter, Daddy?
No, this is, I don't know his name.
Oh, Michael.
Michael's! This is part of Michael's house. Drop with me if you know what this is. This is basically recreated. And then if you look over here, we also have a beautiful driveway that goes down. It's getting hot.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Over here, we have a basketball court as well as a beautiful 150 car open area. You could fit up to 150 cars. Yes. Let's go down here, shall we? Shall we go down here? Shall we check it out? Come on. Don't be shy. Look at this beautiful tree. Very nice. It's a very pretty tree. It's actually imported from Japan. Yes. And when I mean Japan, I mean in Japanese. The freaky one.
It's a good one.
You like that? So I don't know if you can see it, but look, you can see what's in this garage right now. We have a Porsche 911 992 GT3 RS with a Y-Sack package. Where's your car?
Huh?
Where's your car?
It's in here.
Let me check the bitrate. Okay, the bitrate says we have unlimited. Over here we have a beautiful Audi. This one is catered to, it's just beautiful. It's just a beautiful Audi. Right next to it we have Drew Wall's bullshit-ass car. Over here we have a beautiful Nissan. Nissan Altima. Sentra. Yeah. As you can see, for some reason there's a... What happened here?
It's from the tow yard.
Okay. Right over here we have a GTR as well as a Porsche 992 GT3 RS, and next to a Panorama, if I'm not mistaken. Could be mistaken. Let's move, shall we? You want to change? I feel like you're getting hot.
Nah.
You don't want to do shorts gaming for the whole day?
Well, then I'm not going to change later.
Why not? I'll let you change.
Okay, then yeah, I'd love to change.
It's getting fucking hot.
Yeah, it's hot as shit.
Guys, can someone turn off the fucking weather? Dead ass. What's the command in Minecraft? /set fucking...
Set something.
Let's keep moving, y'all. Come on, we don't stop for nothing. This is like a good video that they're gonna post on YouTube, and then what's gonna happen is like we could have people that'll buy it out. Little fun fact to all the children in the chat. If you're children, type me. Actually don't, you might, that's a little weird. Over there though, we have Team 10's Jake Paul's house. Yes, London is my favorite, what is it? England is my city, right?
Yeah.
Little classic. Oh fuck, it's getting a little chilly, Billy, with a little hot. Should we go to your house?
I'd love to.
Over here we have a beautiful lineup of Kias and a Tesla, a Lamborghini Urus Performante with the carbon fiber hood. Right next to it we also have a Camry, excuse me. Next to that we also have a GLE 63S. You know what I'm saying? Next to this one is an AMG C63S. Next to this one is an M4 Comp. This is an old one, but it's also individual paint, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, excuse me. Next to us, we have a GL something, and then Maybach, and then next to that, we have a full detail ceramic coating. Yes. This is hard work. I'm dead ass. How do real estate agents do this? Let's walk out of here. Right here is a sauna. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's actually soundproof. Soundproof, very nice, very nice, very nice. Right here is a beautiful house. I don't know if you can see it. Look, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Where did we get couches?
Low-key good loot.
What's your password?
Yeah, I'll type it in. So, you know.
6768.
Dude, chill. Wait. Bless you. Bless you again.
Sorry. I didn't mean to spit on your property.
Don't try.
Wow. A beautiful machine. Does it turn on?
Nope.
Absolutely fucking not. Also, we have seen on TV, Nickelodeon, Karen from SpongeBob. Wow.
She talks.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey Karen, can you hear me?
You try to like talk dirty.
You sexy dirty robot. I'm gonna fuck you in your HDMI cable? Where's your HDMI? Let's keep moving. It's kind of nice in here.
Yeah, there's the AC's working now.
Over here we have a guest room for all the guests. This is if you're a...
I did not put that in there.
Over here, we have a snack bar. What's going on here?
I don't know, Drew put it there.
This fat ass is, that's interesting. Over here though, we have a very, very nice, this is where Lay's is. This is very nice, very cool. Very cool, dude. You need to swap.
Yeah.
All right, here. Now I'm the cameraman and he's the producer. Everyone lock in for the next 45 seconds.
You wanna watch?
Look at the way he transitions with his clothing. Both hands on buckle. Is that a BB belt? Wow, with Balenci jeans, are those what I think they are on your feet?
Yes,
are
they
those
are.
black cats?
Yes, they are.
Wow. Yes, they are. Are they actually?
Yeah, that's it. I'm taking everything off.
Beautiful piece. Wow. Pants got. Is that a Burberry? That's Burberry top.
It is a Burberry top.
Wow, it's very nice. Very nice. Wow. Now this is where it gets intense. Will he take his pants off on the camera? Find out next episode right now. Drop a subscribe button if y'all want to see the next episode. Right now, we're gonna leave you off with a little cliffhanger. So if you do want to see it, make sure to drop a sub right now.